Welcome to STERRIFIC2 NADEX Weekly Binary Option System, or Touch Bracket Spreads Strategy for home run trading and cash flow. This is a review and overview of the product. I want to tell you a little bit about it so you can know what it is, so you can go investigate it further, and so you can know that this is a very solid type of approach to trading or swing trading the NADEX touch brackets or the weekly binaries. Now, what's a touch bracket? A touch bracket is a new contraption that NADEX has, whereas you're basically just it's almost like your futures trading, but you have preset limited risk and you have a preset maximum profit. But your maximum profits, it's pretty good, and they give you plenty of range. And you know what? If you hit the end of the range, then you automatically get all the profit. Okay, if you get to the end of the range, and then they open up a new bracket. Okay, so you can use these touch brackets for swing trading, which is great. And why would you swing trade with NADEX? Well, first of all, you get to play the Forex pairs and the futures. All right, you don't have to go through the complication of opening a new account. And if you have an account, you understand there's a complication with the margin issues and commissions. So NADEX, you don't have commissions. You don't have margins. Okay, and also your maximum risk right up front. So that's very nice. Okay, so when you trade a spread, you just simply ride the momentum, and whatever you get by the time the spread is done, which is at the expiration time, which is at the end of the week, then that's what you make. It's not like if you actually make some initial profit in binaries, but you don't make it in the money, then what happens? Well, you lose the money. So with the spread, you would actually get to keep all that achievement you made in the underlying asset, even though it didn't get past a certain point, which would have put an out-of-the-money NADEX binary in the money. And of course, if you're looking to swing trade a good standardized swing, then you'll look to trade out of the money, at least a certain decent distance on the weekly binaries. Okay, you can use both though, and that said, once you can take an out-of-the-money position on a weekly binary, though, all you need to do is make it in the money, so you don't have to travel too far to make the maximum percent return, which, could be 1,000% if you bought it at 10 or sold it at 90, right? So, it's very real. It's very realistic. And as you learn to identify opportunities with this new approach towards these swing triggers, which is pretty fascinating actually, with this STERRIFIC approach, then these opportunities come up on a repeated basis. So you just simply wait and you see, oh, there's an opportunity, and then you put on a position. Doesn't have to be a big one, especially at the start, but as you're making money, you're going to realize, first of all, hey, I'm making money. Then second of all, you're going to realize by that point in time probably that, hey, this approach is very sound and solid. So I'm gonna look to really develop this out. I'm gonna look to pay attention here. I'm gonna put some serious position sizes on, within the scope of smart money management, position sizing, for the sake of maximizing your profit, not just for the sake of putting on some small position, right? That's the main purpose of money management, which is to make the maximum money without going backwards because you're trading too big or getting yourself blown out. All right, so we have this weekly binary and we have this touch bracket on a weekly basis, and we have this cool new approach that's very precise, but it's also precise towards taking out these strong swings. So therefore, if you're looking for a new way to add a high probability, high winning percent weapon to your trading arsenal, if you want to look at it that way, then definitely pick up Sterific and just start putting it to use, or just fold it into your array of current strategies. I think that you may be able to make a lot of money, because you're trading out of the money binaries. If you're trading these touch brackets, especially entering at the edge, well, you can make 700% plus profit in the touch bracket. All right, risk to reward. So, hey, I mean, and plus on the touch brackets, you're looking to take out a large distance in accumulated points, which means a very large cash return, and that's nice. So a very large cash return by simply getting in front of these swings that keep happening over and over and over. And while we're looking at the 20-minute binary or 1 hour binary, we can just put these on after the markets, and then be ready. And I have a new easy way of identifying the swing that's a bit better than how people usually do in terms of reading these futures. Okay, so that said, if you need more information, let us know, and you can come to the site and ask. We'll look to build up the page. We have a lot of new products, so we're a little behind. We keep making new products, and we have to too, because of these new memberships we made. This is part of the Weekly Mastery Strategic Program. Now, I can't tell you when unless you see the schedule. So these strategies, I can't tell you exactly when they'll be out, but you can get it on its own. All right, because hey, if you can put something to work like this and instantly, I can't promise you future returns, but if you can potentially instantly start making a lot of money, then, well, I mean, every day that goes by without you doing it is costing you big time, right? Of profits you could have been making and compounding. All right, that's it with this new STERRIFIC2 review. If you're on the page here, the sales page, scroll down and add to cart if you want to get started.